Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I hope everyone is doing great. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. We are making a quick pudding. This won't take you long. So I wish you try it. We are making a chocolate Oreo pudding. So stay tuned and see how it's made.
Oreo dessert, and this one will take about 5 minutes to do. So I've got my chocolate and I'm gonna melt it. Got my whipped cream again here. Then I've got my vanilla as well, and my Oreo biscuits are here as well. So I'm going to put the chocolate in the hot water. And I'm going to put the fire on as well, on the lower heat, so that the chocolate will start melting. So yeah, it's going to take a long time because it's dark chocolate as well. So whilst the chocolate is melting, I am going to then crush my Oreo. 2 parts of Oreo, 1.5 Oreo here, and I've taken out the middle bit. So yeah, so my chocolate is still melting. One tablespoon of vanilla. Let's make it two. I like this smell of vanilla. Then we're gonna add our sugar. We're gonna whip our cream till it goes fluffy.
So now we are almost done. It's just to put the melted chocolate on it and decorate it. So you put a little bit again of the Oreo crushed Oreos on it, and yeah, that's it really. It's a very quick dessert that you can make and enjoy. This is whipped cream and biscuits. There's not a lot of sugar or anything like that, so you can, even if you are on diet, you can still enjoy it. So I hope you try this at home. So now we're just trying to but one tip, you need to be quick with this because the melted chocolate can go hard on you very quick. So while you're doing, you can see that's why she keeps stirring it so it doesn't get, or you have to leave it still on a hot, on top of a hot water. Then you can keep decorating it how you want. You can put fruits on top of it, but you still need your whipped cream because that's what you need to make it look nice. And the whipped cream was made it taste nice, guys. I hope you try this dessert because it's simple, it's tasty, it's out of this world. It's out of this world. That's all I can say. So try it and give me a feedback. And yeah, I'll leave Barbara's Instagram on it. She does a lot of cakes and things like that. She does it for a business. So yeah. All right. So enjoy yourself and be happy, be safe.